Welcome to the Secret Garden of Survival, and this is our homestead retreat, and my wife and I have been preppers for 12 years and been living off grid for about as long, and not really all that concerned about the coronavirus because we really don't have to go anywhere and do anything anyway. We live by producing all of our own food, but you know, up here on the mountain, nature always throws something at you that can add to your entertainment. And my wife just happened to be walking by some of our herbs this morning, and she saw a couple of ladybugs, and I will tell you right now that this video that she took, that I'm editing in here, has not been doctored or sped up or anything else, but it's kind of funny and entertaining. So, oh, and I forgot to mention, maybe they were just following Dr. Oz's instructions on what to do with their spare time during this quarantine period.